Hello, everyone. I came home the other day and I got ready to drive my car the next day and I discovered that I had a flat. So I pulled my tire off of my vehicle and I turned the tire around and I see that I have a flat due to this nail. It's not actually a nail, it's actually some kind of stud. Wow, it is a nail. Glad I made it home. Okay, so what I have here, I have a kit that I have had for years. You can buy this kit anywhere, and it lasts for me a lifetime. It must have been, I don't know how long it's been since I had this. You can tell by the way it looks. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to clean out the hole. Clean out the hole with this. Okay. Just make sure I get it perfectly cleaned out. Okay. Man. Next, there is some rubber cement. I hope it's still good. I'm going to put right here at the hole. Unfortunate, I think it actually dried up. Okay. So, let me take my chances. Next, we have this tool here, and we have our plugs here. So what I'm going to do is it already has enough adhesive to it. Let's see if we can pull this out of here. I'll put this box down. And keep in mind a fresh kit. You won't have to really go through all of this. All right, now put that to the side. And what we're going to do is put this baby right here in between. Have another tool here. Okay, let's try this. I actually got a screwdriver. Help me with this. Okay. Okay, either way, the main thing you want to do is just get it right there in the middle. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to put it back down in the hole. I should have made that hole a little wider. Didn't quite work that hole like I should have. No problem. There we go. Okay. Let's try it again. Might want to twist a little bit. There we go. Okay. Wow. Now, finally got it in there. Let's pull this baby out. Okay. So all I have to do now is cut it. All right. Let's see about putting some air back in here. I think I put about 32. Sometimes I put 28. I think I'm gonna put 32 in it and do a little leak test just to make sure we don't have any kind of leak. So far so good, I don't hear anything. I got 30. $32. So far, so good. All right, let's do a leak test. Okay, all you have to do is just get a spray bottle of any kind and let's see what we have. So far, so good. Only foam that I have is what I made. And if we had a leak, we actually have some much larger bubbles around here. What I'm going to do is just trim this down a little bit more. Although the highway is going to take care of it, but I'm just going to trim it down a little bit more. And one thing about it, once you plug a tire, you have to keep it on the rear. You don't never want to put it in the front of the vehicle. You don't want it to be a steer tire. ever again. It happens. But I'd rather buy a kit than to go out and buy a tire. And you can actually do this on the vehicle if you're on the side of the road. Okay, I hope that helped.